Hey folks, it's John from Thunderbolt Locks. Today we're at Chicago Upfitters and they're doing an installation on a plumber's box truck. The plumber carries thousands of dollars worth of equipment in that truck, and a break-in would be devastating to his business. So he wants to have layers of protection, which is always smart. Going to start off with the alarm padlock that's going to go on the rear door, the lightning bolt lock pin that's going to go through the side of the truck and impede one of the rollers to keep that door secure, and the Thunderbolt Deadbolt Lock system, remote controlled. You push a button, sends a deadbolt into that back door, keeping it secure. Let's head out to the shop and see the project. So the first layer of protection is going to be the alarm padlock. This plumber is going to install it every time he wants to secure his box truck. And when a thief tries to either grind this or bolt cut it, it's going to send off a 110 decibel alarm. The second layer of protection is the lightning bolt lock pin from Thunderbolt Locks. It's going to be inserted right here on the side of the truck. It threads in. It has a tamper-proof head. You just tighten it with the key, you lock it into place, and it's going to impede that roller wheel from rising. I'll show you on the inside how it does that. And there you have it. Once it's secured in the truck over that wheel, it will prevent the door from rising. And the third layer of protection is the Thunderbolt Deadbolt Lock. So the case gets mounted right here. It's going to drive this bolt into this bracket. It works by remote control, so when you click the remote, it secures the door. You want to unlock it, click the remote again, and it's unlocked. So if you're interested in securing your box truck, maybe you have tools for your trade or you carry valuables, visit thunderboltlocks.com.